Namaskaram. Welcome to Madhurayu Shabda Chikitsa, where I, Vaidya Madhuri Vittikar, take you to the journey of collaborating the principles of Ayurveda and music to bring about a synchronized effect of therapy. So today, 18th April, is recognized as World Heritage Day. And the theme for this year is shared culture, shared heritage, and shared responsibility. The theme recognizes that the heritage, whether places, landscapes, practices, or collections, are frequently associated with and valued by multiple and diverse groups of communities, and it is the collective responsibility of such communities to safeguard their heritages. In India, we have the oldest medical and musical literature available in the world. Ayurveda derived from Atharvaveda and music being derived from Samaveda. As a seeker of both these sciences, a song comes to my mind. गुरु ने दिला ज्ञान रूपे वसा गुरु ने दिला ज्ञान रूपे वसा आम्ही चालवू हा पुढे वारसा आम्ही चालवू हा पुढे वारसा, which translates as follows: that we are privileged enough to acquire the knowledge through our gurus, and we promise to safeguard this knowledge, the heritage, and transfer it to the upcoming generations. I hope I'm able to do so through this platform of Madhurayu Shabda Chikitsa. So, coming back to the value of heritage, there is a very beautiful research article published in a journal, and where the author describes Ayurveda as an intangible heritage of India. If you would like to refer, it is published in the Journal of Advanced Research in Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani Siddha, and Homeopathy, Volume 5, Issue 2, page 14 to 17. So, in this article, the author also deals with a important subject, that is the TKDL, or the Traditional Knowledge Digital Library. So TKDL was created by the Ayush department with an aim to safeguard our traditional knowledge after the government of India successfully revoked the patents of turmeric, basmati, and neem granted by USPTO, that is United States Patent Trademark Office, and EPO, or the European Patent Office. You can read more on TKDL on its site. So, the moral of the story is that we should have the knowledge, and we should try to value and safeguard our true treasures of heritage, are the heritage of Ayurveda, before they get known and patentized by others. So, the Indian classical music is one such heritage which is deeply rooted in our culture and which should be valued and cared for. So, in Indian classical music, a swara, or a musical note, forms the base. That is, the swara is the base of Indian classical music, and it is nothing but the vibration of sound waves at a particular frequency. A combination of various such swaras, it gives rise to a melody, or what we call as raga. So raga is one that creates a typical mood or a typical atmosphere or feeling of the mind, through various permutations and combinations of swaras or musical note. So last time, if you remember, I played Rag Yaman, its course and tarana to make you understand the Dhvanyatmak Shabda. And this time I'll play a semi-classical song based on Rag Yaman. Semi-classical song, more precisely a ghazal, because a ghazal is understood as a poetic expression of both pain of loss or separation and the beauty of love in spite of the pain. So the ghazal can represent as dhvanyatmak and varnatmak shabda combined together. So it's a combination of both types of shabda. And Rag Yaman is chosen because it is a Shungar Rasa Pradhan Rag. That is, it has the quality to invoke the feeling of love, or to invoke the mood or beauty of love. Okay, so I'll be playing this ghazal to you now. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and suggest any songs or any topics of interest which you think I would I should deal with in the upcoming videos in the comment box below. So let's begin with the ghazal. आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलों में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलों में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। तुम ही सोचो जरा, क्यों न रोके तुम्हें, जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुमको अपनी कसम जान जा, रोक लो आज की रात को, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है, मगर चंद घड़ियां यही है जो आजाद है, इनको खो कर मेरी जान जा, उम्र भर ना तरसते रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, कितना मासूम रंगीन है ये समा, हुस्न और इश्क की आज मेराज है, हुस्न और इश्क की आज मेराज है। इनको खोकर मेरी जान जा, बात इतनी मेरी मान लो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो।